Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your teacher vlogger, your vlogger teacher, whatever you wanted. Just teacher vlogger, Maestro Kelbong, and welcome back to my channel. This is Maestro Kelbong. Yeah, so for today, yes, I just want to flex something else. Over the last few months, you know, I'm enrolled in my PhD degree, right, doctor's degree. And one of my subjects is actually the local and foreign languages, that is language 312A. Yes, that is basically Mandarin Chinese. So that is what we're going to talk about today. The first week or the first few weeks, I've learned how to sing in Mandarin Chinese. Right? I'm gonna let you hear a little bit of that song later on. And I also learned how to read in Chinese or in Mandarin. It's just a simplified one, right? So ngayong araw, ngayong gabing ito, I'll be writing my first ever, how do you call this one? Character writing. It's the first time, right? So I prepared bond paper and I created some lines where I will write characters, the Chinese the Chinese characters on the paper, because this is our assignment. All right, so ewan ko kung kakasa tayo dito sa challenge na to. It's really difficult. I have to write 100 characters. Actually 50 characters lang times 2 kasi ulitin namin yung isa. Ulit-ulitin lang namin bawat isang character. So a total of 100 characters. So I'll be using some important letters or characters. I will be showing you. Wait a moment. Okay, so yan po yung mga characters na ating susundan. Yan, oh. It's really hard, you know. It's not just easy. Can you just imagine that in this section there is like a technique or yung parang stroke of writing the characters. Hindi lang siya basta-basta ang gagayain na you have to write like this one. You have to follow the stroke. Parang pagsusulat din ng English alphabet yan. Okay, so for example, like this one, the xiao, this is basically you have to start with the horizontal stroke from the left side to the right side. Yan yung unang stroke na gagawin mo before you could create the vertical stroke from top to bottom. Ganun yun. So yes, so that's what we're going to do. And then yeah, this one, siye, that is the siye. That is a thank you. It's really hard. Can you just imagine there are many strokes that I have to deal with? It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then ang daming strokes diyan. Okay, another one. Yan, oh. Can you just imagine? Okay, tingnan lang natin kung magagawa po natin ng paraan yan. Okay. That one as well. This one, the family, siya. Oh, this is really hard. Yeah, pa. Alam nyo ba sa Chinese, letter B is pronounced as P. So this one is pa, right? Pa, that is father. This is, the B is pronounced as P. Just imagine that. There. Okay. Are the characters that I have to write. Actually, marami pa yun eh. There are some other characters because actually kulang pa yun. So what I did, I had to find some other characters via the internet and include it in the list para sa akin. So those easy words na lang and easy characters to follow para hindi tayo masyadong mahirapan. But definitely I will be learning a lot of things from this activity. Thanks to Ma'am Lourdes Bilao for giving me this opportunity to learn a little bit of the Mandarin. Although it's really difficult, it's really hard. This is a self-learning way of learning the characters in Mandarin Chinese. So this is new to me. So we will see kung kakasa tayo dun sa challenge. Like I said, I will do my very best to somehow write legibly and write clearly the letters, and malalaman natin kung ano yung score natin, okay, from the score of Ma'am Bilao to my writing. So ipapakita ko yan sa inyo later on. So let's start our, syempre our letter or character writing in Mandarin. This is Mandarin 101. Wow, awesome! Let's start! So, nakikita nyo ngayon yung gamit ko na paper. I created this template lang where I should write. So, I created the 4 boxes kasi dito ko ilalapat yung mga characters. So, let's start with the first one. So, let's start with the sh or the teacher or master. So, the first is stroke. Dito sa first 5 characters. Ito yung of course the sh or the teacher. Then we have the xiao, that is the school. And then we have the xie, that is thanks, right? Then we have the shu or who, and then ma for the question particle. So these are the first 5 characters na tinuro sa amin ng aming teacher or professor na si Dr. Bilao. And now what we're going to do, kailangan natin kasi para siyang base lang siya dyan. So we'll be using a marker para masulat natin yan. So kailangan natin ng marker para mailapat natin yung mga letters or the characters at mas magandang makita. Yeah, I mean, it's easier for people to see it. Okay, so tingnan lang natin. I will tell you the score or the grade later on. I'm going to show you all the other characters that I have written. Actually, I prepared already. So let's try to see it. Charan! Charan! Ayan na po siya. So ito po yung sinulat natin kanina. Ayan na siya. Okay, so much clearer na siya. Mats, ano ba yung mats? Much clearer already. Okay, so we have the 5 main characters written twice. Okay, so that makes it 10. Okay, second one, ito naman yung we have the kidao, that is for pray. Then we have the showway, that is for guard or defend. Okay. And then we have shibing, that is soldier. Parang ako soldier. Ooh. And then we have of course richu, that is for sunrise. Oh, sunrise. And lihun, divorce. Okay, another 5 characters. Then also I have written this one. We have the ki or the period. Then we have the chin of metal or gold. Then we have the chi for eat, that's the verb. You just imagine parang siyang squares, right? It's really cute. And then Jian, that's for look. Then we have Shingo, Shing for go, sorry. Shing for go. Ayan. So, almost similar to Korean characters. Kung titingnan nyo. Okay. Then we also have, of course, ito na yung pinaka, the base. These are the additional parts already. Additional 5 characters. Mas madali na siyang tingnan kasi it's just a matter of, you know, the stroke is so easy. So we have the li or the power, then the kuan for advice, then we have the pan handle, wu for business, and then tong for move. Ayan. Awesome. Then we have here another set, hua for flower, then followed by shu for stone. They have a lot of shu, right? But different meanings. Okay, stone, and then we have tian, that is for shop. and then followed by, of course, pi. Yes, like I said a while back, yung B magsa-sounds like P. So it sounds like pi or white. And then li, see another li. It means strength. Okay. And then we also have this one, yi for clothes, shinmei for what. Then we have ta for she. And then we have fu for men, that is a plural form. And then the ru for to follow or as if. Then another one, we have lao for work. Then li for encourage. You see another one, another li. Right? And then lie, that is bad. Okay, sorry. And then we have zu for help. And tai for state. Last few papers, last tatlo na lang. Just 3 left. Then the hi, that's for child, then followed by tuo or tu, that is for all or even, and then big city. All are for big city, just the same. And then the shu, another shu for matter this time. And then mie for haven't or without. Then we have the zuo or do or make. Then we have Jia for family or home, and then Pa for father, Ma for mother, Mie, that is for younger sister, and then Zie, that's for this. And finally, our last 5 characters. We have Shu for time. See, you look at that Shu or time again, right? Then we have Ji or how many, and then we have how many or sometimes several. And then we also have the how, the date or the size, or even sequence or signals. It's just the same. And then we have the shao for few or little. And then also possible young. You just imagine that. And then wo for me. Okay? So those are the 50 characters that were written 2 times. So a total of 100 characters. 50 characters, and I have written them in 100 times. It's really hard, right? So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have learned something else from my writing. And yeah, so I think I will have to learn more about the Mandarin Chinese, I promise. So thank you so much for watching. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and of course that notification bell to keep you updated of my recent or the most recent uploads, right? So thank you so much. Subscribe na kayo. Okay, thank you so much. Kakantahin ko na ba? Yung kinanta ni Casey Tandingan dun sa I Am Singer sa China, and that's what I sang, and I got a pretty good score, a very good score from singing that song, recording it from my laptop. Again, so thank you so much. I'll see you again on my Chinese. I'm not confident, but thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. This is Maestro Kelbong.